Bismillah Rahman Rahim, paragraph number 47. With at least two judges contracting the novel coronavirus, the Supreme Court on Monday reminded the federal government to take the health emergency seriously and come up with a uniform national legislation. This becomes important more so when the passing of the executive orders to deal with the pandemic has trampled and affected the fundamental rights of people, said an order dictated by Chief Justice Gulzar Ahmad. We are also feeling the heat in this court as two judges have tested positive, observed the Chief Justice of Pakistan while heading the SC bench that had taken up a so moto notice of the prevention of coronavirus. New paragraph. Instead of the 5-judge bench, the SC bench hearing the case on Monday comprised only 4 judges, who were seated at some distance from each other. Also, the hearing of challenges to the filing of the presidential reference against Justice Qazi Faiz Isa was postponed till June 11 due to the unavailability of one of the judges of the 10-judge full court of the Supreme Court. Legislation at national level about the coronavirus situation in the country, CJP Ahmad observed, difficulty is this that no law has been passed despite the fact that we have been emphasizing for adopting the law at the national level, which should be applicable to the entire country. New paragraph. Altering its May 15 direction that shops may not be closed on Saturdays and Sundays, owing to the Eid festival, the 4-judge SC bench, in its fresh direction, allowed the government to make policies in accordance with its strategies to meet the COVID-19 threat. Justice Ijazul Ahsan observed, I don't think that any province will have any problem on agreeing with a uniform law. He said all 4 provincial governments could sit and come out with the law. He said it was a national emergency as the fatalities were on the rise, with more than 100,000 people being affected by the disease. New paragraph. Justice Ahsan suggested to the federal government to take the lead as the deadly virus never distinguished between the people. The observations came when Attorney General for Pakistan Khalid Javed Khan said the federal government was making all-out efforts to contain the spread of the virus, but requested the apex court to lay emphasis on the enforcement of the standard operating procedure in its order, as it would then carry more weight. New paragraph. The CJP observed that COVID-19 was a national problem and should be taken at the national level. why the legislatures cannot function when other institutions are functioning, Justice Ahmad remarked while recalling how China, followed by other countries, immediately made the law when the virus had started spreading, full stop. You want to stop all activity through the executive order, full stop. It is not permissible since it encroaches upon the fundamental rights of the people, the Chief Justice declared, observing that the government could not just implement SOPs by holding press conferences, full stop. New paragraph. The executive orders and the legislative functions were totally different, The Chief Justice reminded the Attorney General, full stop. Justice Syed Mazhar Ali Naqvi wondered why the government could not sit with open arms and find a solution to the current issue through proper legislation, full stop. Time is the essence, and the federal government does not have much time to deal with the situation, Justice Asan highlighted, full stop. New paragraph. The Attorney General assured the court that he would advise the government for adopting a uniform national policy, full stop. The Chief Justice recalled how the Supreme Court, in its April 7 order, had highlighted the importance of national level legislation, but nothing in this regard had been done till date, full stop. Therefore, he said, the federal government should take this matter seriously and ensure legislation at the national level, full stop. The court was not happen when a member informed the bench that 100 labs across the country were conducting coronavirus tests, full stop. It asked the NDMA to furnish details of machines imported for Desto to produce personal procurement equipment, full stop. New paragraph. Referring to sanitary workers, the court ordered that the government ensure that without the protective kits, the workers were not allowed to enter or work inside manholes for cleaning or related activities, full stop. The apex court ordered the government to ensure protective laws by taking measures within a period of 2 weeks, full stop. Locust invasion column aircraft record sought about the locust threat, the court summoned complete record regarding acquiring of an aircraft from Turkey on wet lease for spraying insecticides in affected areas, full stop. According to the court order, such documents must include full details regarding the number of employees, who rode with the plane, the salary and emoluments paid to them, so also the details of service so far provided by this plane, full stop. New paragraph. The court also sought explanation for non-utilization of the remaining 3 planes of the Plant Protection Department, full stop. This is a necessary, for when Pakistan had 4 aeroplanes for spraying purposes. Why the need was felt for the obtaining of an aeroplane on a wet lease, and yet, we note that 3 aeroplanes are still not in operation, the order said, full stop. The court also expressed its dismay that only one Beaver aircraft was operating out of the 4 with the Plant Protection Department, though 3 helicopters were also in operation to combat the menace of locust attack, in addition to 96 vehicles, full stop. New paragraph. National Disaster Management Authority representative Idris Mahsood told the court that a survey of 26 million hectares had been conducted and 529,000 hectares of this area had been treated so far, full stop. The SC in its order observed that locusts had been in Pakistan for a long time, and they had completed 2 cycles of their breeding in the territory of Pakistan, full stop. The court noted that all out efforts had not been undertaken to combat this menace, full stop. New paragraph. According to the apex court, there is no doubt that the locusts pose a serious danger to the agriculture sector in Pakistan, in that it may wipe out most of the agricultural production, and there may occur serious shortage of agricultural goods, full stop. This shortage of agricultural goods may lead to a shortage of food for the people, full stop. Thus, we note that the locusts have to be immediately dealt with and totally eradicated from Pakistan with due promptitude, in order to ensure that it does not cause substantial loss to the agriculture sector of Pakistan, the order said, full stop. Therefore, it added, the Department of Plant Protection as well as the NDMA should file a categorical and comprehensive report in this regard before the next date of hearing, full stop.